The noise. Mexico is genuinely a loud culture. Even outside of the tourist areas, even if you're out in residential neighborhoods, sound systems, celebrations, general boisterousness at hours you would never predict. It's not a complaint for me. It's just a reality check that if you're thinking about moving to Mexico, noise is something you really got to think about. I mean, you do get used to it. I don't love a lot of noise, but you kind of get used to it if you're open to getting used to it because it's definitely a part of the culture here.